windscreen wipers are designed to clear water from your windscreen to ensure that you can see clearly when you're on the road. But if they're cracked or worn out, they can leave your windscreen with streaks of water which can reduce visibility. So get into the habit of checking your windscreen wipers regularly. Keep them clean by wiping down the rubber blades with an isopropyl rubbing alcohol or with a windshield washer concentrate, recommended by your Ford dealership. Here's a tip. Keep an eye out for these telltale signs your windscreen wipers need replacing. If you notice your windscreen squeaking as your wipers run across the glass, then it means they're old and worn out and need replacing. If the wipers are smearing water across the windscreen, it means the blade itself has become blunt and needs to be replaced. Similarly, if it starts streaking and leaving bands of water on the windscreen, then it means the wipers have become cracked. The windscreen washer fluid works hand in hand with the wipers, helping to loosen dirt so that it doesn't cause damage to either the wipers or scratch the windscreen. On certain models of Ranger, a warning light will illuminate to let you know it's time to top up. Before you begin to fill your washer fluid reservoir, be sure that your engine is cooled down. Release and lift the bonnet and locate the washer fluid reservoir funnel. Open the funnel cap. Pour in your washer fluid, making sure not to have it overflow out of the funnel. Close the funnel cap securely. Make sure you have enough washer fluid all the time, because operating your windshield washers when the reservoir is empty may cause damage to the windshield washer pump. There are many types of windshield washer fluids, so ask your Ford dealership for the recommended fluid that will be most effective in your environment.